In this video, we'll cover how to protect your coinbase.com account. Now, one of the ultimate ways to protect your Coinbase account, which is recommended by Coinbase itself, is to get a security key. And the one that is probably always recommended is the YubiKey. And here you can see we have prices for various YubiKeys on the screen here. But there is one thing I want you to keep in mind when using something like a YubiKey, for instance, and that is that if you lose it, you are in serious trouble and could pretty much lose access to your account. You need to keep this key safe at all times. Not something that should be on a keychain or so forth. Keep it very secure. Now, if you do decide to opt for something like a YubiKey, what you want to do to connect it is in Coinbase, while signed in, you want to go to the top right to your profile icon. You then want to click on Manage Account. Then you want to click on the Security tab on your left. Then you want to click on Two-Step Verification. And while we're here, might as well just get into that. Two-step verification would be the next thing to really protect your account. I will always go with the pass key, though you can do text message. Just as you can see here, keep in mind it is less secure. And if you haven't enabled two-factor authentication yet, over here where mine says disable text messages, you'll have something that says enable two-factor authentication. Now, getting back to the security key, here in available methods, you want to click on this drop down, and here you'll see security key and hit set up. And those are the two most important ways to keep your account secure. Again, if you go for security, make sure to protect your security key. Very important, because if it gets lost, chances are you're not going to get access to your account again. And that's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.